Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. Please watch this video to the end, and if you like it, then support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, we will talk with you about a cryptocurrency called XRP. How much do you think it will cost at the end of 2021? Write your answers in the comments. First, it's important to understand the difference between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which sits on top of a distributed ledger database called the XRP Ledger. While RippleNet is operated by a company called Ripple, XRP Ledger is open source and is not based on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The RippleNet payment platform is a real-time gross settlement system designed to enable instant money transactions around the world. While XRP is a cryptocurrency native to the XRP Ledger, you can actually use any currency to make transactions on the platform. Although the idea for the Ripple payment platform was first floated by Ryan Fugger in 2004, it wasn't until Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen took over the project in 2012 that Ripple began to be built. XRP was created by Ripple to be a fast, less expensive, and more scalable alternative to both other digital assets and existing cash payment platforms such as SWIFT. At the moment, the price of XRP is $1.57 USD with a daily trading volume of $14 billion USD. XRP is down 7.03 in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap rating is number 5 with a market capitalization of $71 billion USD. The circulating supply is 45 billion XRP coins and the max supply is 100 billion XRP coins. And now I will tell you some interesting news about XRP. Ripple said that for the first 3 months of 2021, its total XRP sales were $150.34 million, up 97% from the $76.27 million reported for Q4 2020. The company said the increase in sales figures was driven by growing demand for RippleNet's on-demand liquidity or ODL service. Ripple continued to participate in sales to support ODL and key infrastructure partners as part of providing increased XRP liquidity to improve the ODL experience of some customers, eliminating the need for pre-financing and enabling instant global payments. First quarter of 2021 was phenomenally strong for crypto, with the total market cap soaring to almost $2 million for the first time. Check out the latest markets report for information on the overall market, XRP ledger development, and more. Ripple, which is rumored to be planning an IPO, said that to meet the growing demand for ODL, it has agreed to acquire 40% of Asia's leading cross-border payment specialist Tranglo. This partnership will help Ripple expand its service coverage in the Asia-Pacific region, she added. The report added that the total XRP volume for Q1 also eclipsed the previous quarter by 37.7% and amounted to $204 billion for this period, compared to $148 billion of XRP volume for Q4 2020. These figures were compiled using the Crypto Compare top-tier volumes. CCTT's daily XRP sales report increased significantly in Q1 2021 compared to Q4 2020. Average daily sales were $2.26 billion in the first quarter, compared to $1.61 billion in the previous quarter. Notably, XRP volumes posted the 4 highest volume days ever recorded. Most forecasts for 2021 for XRP indicate that the token will show a stable growth in its exchange rate quotes. By the end of 2021, the coin may well pass the $2 mark. At the same time, there are some analysts who predict the probability of a rise in the price of the coin to $4 or $5. However, it is worth considering that the coin will become more expensive in a far from linear way, so at a short distance there will be a possibility of losing the funds invested in it as a result of another short-term drawdown. According to a recent report by Ripple, the company sold only $13 million worth of XRP tokens in the last quarter of 2019, which is 80% less than the previous similar period. This involuntarily suggests that sales have been reduced so much, since the exchange rate is expected to rise to values at which it will be much more profitable to do this. How much do you think XRP will cost at the end of this week? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. In the next video, I will tell you a lot more interesting things about the cryptocurrency market.